Okay, here's the soup. I added just a little extra toss on the top and some green onions just to make it look better because it's not a pretty dish. But let me tell you, this is so full of flavor. And if you like cabbage, you know, of course you have to like cabbage. But you could, it's delicious. All these ingredients together, I'm just so impressed with it. And to make it low carb, you could totally skip the potatoes. I just needed a little something else besides the cabbage. I didn't want to use carrots because I felt like carrots would take over the flavor. I really wanted the cabbage to stand out. And you can definitely taste the smoked meat. You could use any meat you want. But anyway, it's so easy in the Instant Pot. I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. And I'll look forward to seeing you again with more delicious recipes. Bye. Okay, I have my chicken wings. I took them out of the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes. It just lets them cook more evenly if they're not extremely cold. And I'm going to spray this. Well, it's going to make a mess in here, I'm sure, but it's okay. So I decided to do it in the air fryer in case you didn't figure that part out. But I'm going to basically just dump them in here. Try not to make a mess. And let me get the, you want them to be spread out evenly. I think I'm going to bake them at 350 this time, because these are a little bit bigger than the little drumettes that you got. And this is a, I think this is, I forgot the size of this one, I apologize. I think I've told you already the last time, but I already forgot what I said. So that looks pretty good. So, okay, now we're going to slip them inside. And Ella's going to have to come help me. I can't ever figure out how to work this thing. Okay, Ella.
Okay.
Sorry about that. I don't know why. I have trouble with it coming on.
I got it.
And she can always get it. But I was trying to show them the screen.
Cut it off.
Got it this time. It has to be slipped in there just right. So we're going to do 350 this time. I'm going to do 20 minutes. And I'll probably flip them in the middle. But we'll let them go for 20 minutes. You can see the seasoning gets a little bit dark, but they're going to be really good. We're going to just put them on a pan. And I think we're going to take a few onion rings. We have this brand of onion rings. What did I do with the bag? Let me show them. This brand of these onion rings are delicious, and they won't take long to cook. So we're just going to kind of eat that, I think, on the side. So we'll be back. Creation for tonight. It's only the two of us, so I didn't make a ton. But now we're going to taste them for you. And I call it, this is a Carolina mustard barbecue sauce. I'm going to dip it in there, but actually it doesn't even need any dipping. I am really pleased with those seasoning packs that are great value from Walmart. This is my second one I've tried, and it's so easy in the air fryer. I hope you enjoy this video. So let's taste it and see what we think. Okay, well, Ella and I are both going to taste it. Here's my little plate that I fixed, and I dipped it in that mustard barbecue sauce. So let's taste. I like this part the best. Mmm.
I like it. It's good.
They're really good.
They're well cooked, not too overdone.
They're not dried out. And I really like that seasoning pack. I'm going to try all of them. If you like this video, let me know if you like the air fryer video, because I can do more things in there. They're really good. 20 minutes was the perfect amount of time. And the next time I want to try some Asian flavored wings. We could eat wings every day, I think. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like the air fryer videos. And please subscribe if you haven't for more delicious recipes. It really helps me out. I like a lot of subscribers. And come back and see us. And Have a great night or day, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye.